If you own a pond or small lake, maintaining healthy water quality is one of the biggest challenges. Without proper aeration, water can become stagnant, oxygen levels drop, algae grows faster, and fish health begins to suffer. Today we're reviewing the PAS20 pond and lake aeration system, featuring a 3/4 of a horsepower compressor, two 100-foot weighted air lines, dual diffusers, and coverage for ponds up to 3 acres. But does this aeration system actually improve water quality and make pond maintenance easier? Let's find out. The PAS20 is designed for pond owners, farmers, property managers, and anyone responsible for maintaining larger bodies of water. Instead of simply circulating surface water, this system continuously pumps oxygen to the bottom of the pond through submerged diffusers. This process helps improve oxygen distribution throughout the entire water column, creating a healthier aquatic environment. Whether your goal is healthier fish, cleaner water, or reducing unpleasant odors, this system is built for long-term pond management. Let's start with the heart of the system. The PAS20 includes a 3/4 HP high-performance compressor capable of delivering continuous airflow for larger ponds. It's designed to support ponds and lakes up to 3 acres, making it suitable for residential, agricultural, and recreational properties. The package includes two 100-foot weighted tubing lines, allowing flexible installation without requiring additional accessories. At the end of each airline sits a high-efficiency diffuser, which releases fine bubbles that maximize oxygen transfer into the water. Beyond raw performance, the PAS20 is designed for durability and ease of installation. The weighted tubing naturally stays on the pond floor, reducing installation complexity and keeping the system organized underwater. Using two diffusers improves oxygen distribution across larger areas instead of concentrating airflow in one location. The compressor is engineered for continuous operation, making it suitable for year-round pond maintenance in many environments. Its heavy-duty construction is intended for long-term outdoor use when properly installed and protected from weather exposure. In real-world operation, the PAS20 delivers consistent aeration that helps improve overall pond health. Continuous oxygen circulation can reduce stagnant zones while supporting beneficial bacteria that naturally break down organic waste. Many pond owners use aeration systems like this to help manage algae growth, improve water clarity, and create better living conditions for fish. The dual diffuser setup provides even air distribution across larger ponds, making the system effective for properties with significant water surface area. Once installed, daily operation requires very little attention beyond routine maintenance. So, is the PAS20 pond and lake aeration system worth buying? If you own a pond up to 3 acres and want a professional-grade aeration solution, this system is definitely worth considering. With its 3/4 HP compressor, dual-weighted airlines, two efficient diffusers, and continuous oxygen delivery, it offers everything needed for healthier water and improved aquatic conditions. While installation requires some initial planning, the long-term benefits of better water quality, healthier fish populations, and easier pond maintenance make it a valuable investment. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of pond equipment, outdoor tools, property maintenance gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.